So this is an open invite, and we're gonna hear from one of our other subscribers, and I get a lot of visitors. I want you guys to know that if you come on like a Monday or a Friday, we will interview you about your car and your subjective Mercedes experience, because that's what we do. I mean, it's like great to hear me talk all the time, but I really love hearing about your experiences with these cars. So, if you guys ever want to be on my channel, or you ever want to do a joint interview or something, or you ever want to visit, we're here to receive you, and we hope that you are able to join us.
My name is James. I am 23. I'm from Southern California, and I am out here visiting the Florida area. Decided to stop by Pierre's shop. I've been a fan of his for about 2 years now, watching his videos on YouTube. And I'm a Mercedes owner myself as well. I have a 1992 190e 2.3 with 113,000 miles, which is a fantastic car. I've had for about 2 years now, and Pierre's advice and technical expertise has really helped me with the ownership of the car and help understand more about the car. And I can definitely say, based on the experience and the things that I've learned from Pierre, he's probably one of the foremost specialists in older Mercedes cars in the nation. So it's great that I finally got to meet him and see all the wonderful stuff he has here around the shop. And my appreciation for Mercedes goes back to probably when I started high school. I noticed legendary cars like the 124 and the 126 S-Class, designed by Bruno Sacco himself. And I noticed those cars, when they're back a little more popular on the roads of Southern California. I noticed the timeless lines of the car and started to want to learn a little bit more about them, and ended up having the opportunity to purchase the 190e about 2 years ago. So I've really enjoyed the journey with getting to know that car. I mean, there's been a few hiccups, but that's kind of what you expect with an older car. I've really gained an appreciation for the engineering capability that Mercedes Benz had at the time in their cars. When you get into old Benz, it's everything's laid out to be where you'd expect it. There's a purpose between the design elements and the way things are laid out. And Mercedes cars from really any time period, but especially 70s, 80s, 90s, they really were before their time. But the thing that makes them so special is that the design and the quality elements and the research and development that went into producing the cars makes them extremely viable even in the 2020s. So I've really enjoyed the analog driving experience. It's really hard to replace cars that were made that way before the consumer trends changed into more of a disposable type of product and life cycles and replacements. And it's just nice to have something that was made to last, and you can still find parts pretty easily, whether it's from Mercedes or other reputable suppliers for these older cars. And I'm glad that there is a community of people that exists and appreciates driving and maintaining these cars. So I'm just really grateful for the opportunity that I had today to visit Pierre, especially during COVID-19. I'm glad that he's helping keep people on the road and support the Mercedes-Benz community. So if you haven't done it already, go ahead and subscribe to Pierre's channel. You'll see his great content come out, thanks to Thomas, video producer. So thank you guys for hearing what I have to say, and I hope everyone stays safe. Have a Merry Christmas.